welcome back. Today is one of the days where I talk about health issues. You guys know this channel, right? So today I want to bring that to your attention, the benefits of fig. Fig. I used to eat a lot of fig, and fig is very expensive. So I ended up buying it's like a germ, but this one here is complete fig. Because we are in the winter month, I am very unable to find the fresh fig. But even if you find it, it's extremely very expensive. And a lot of us does not know how healthy and what fig can do for you. Do you know that 1 ounce of fig, 1 ounce, contains about 3 grams of fiber? In case you have ED, let me just leave it like that. ED, and you have low sperm count, or you are trying to increase your ovulation or more production or make your egg more fertile, you need to start eating figs today. Let me read it out from you guys. For you guys. So it says that fig can increase sperm count and motility. Additional, they are a great source of dietary fiber. It contains a whole lot of vitamin B6, copper, potassium, calcium, manganese, antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking into getting your fertility rate high, your sperm count high, get into eating figs as small as possible. Get into eating figs daily. You don't need a lot of figs in a day. It increases your libido. So guys, subscribe and share the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. In the next video, I'll be making some beautiful, awesome smoothies with figs and dates. So if you think this is going to interest you, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss most of my videos. I talk health, lifestyle. So see you guys. Bye-bye.